1968 Pontiac GTO 400 4-speed. Freshly rebuilt motor about 7 years ago. Car was restored about 7 years ago. Has less than 10 miles according to the mechanic on the rebuilt motor. Transmission is original. Beautiful car. They added power steering. Red is not the original color, it was green. Rally rims, black vinyl top, brand new interior. Beautiful, beautiful car. Came out of Texas. Brand new interior. Four-speed. Odometer shows 24,263 miles. He did have this car 30 years before he restored it. Looks about right, cannot confirm.